to get quite a bit decently better performance. I dropped down some of the quality settings, and I'm down sampling to 720p from 1080p. I'll go ahead and look at the video later to see if there's a huge difference. But I was getting pretty bad I was getting a little bit of performance impact just on the editor session. And Chrome and all those things were not doing that well. But if the editor session wasn't doing perfect, that's concerning, because I can get like 200 or 300 frames per second without OBS or anything running. And granted, I've got VSync, but it was dropping a lot, and it feels. There's no way to tell on the stream, but I was just dropping a couple frames, and it just would hitch a little bit before. So not a huge difference. And CPU is still running like 20%, so doesn't seem like it made a huge difference in terms of the actual CPU usage. But I need to retest with Chrome, so let's. So Chrome should be now on the 970M using WebGL1, and I just want some decent performance. There's nothing really in the scene yet. That was super bad. This is horrible. Hitches. Now it's actually feeling okay. So it just takes a little while to get going, I guess. Now I just switched it over to full screen. Oh, it feels okay. Let's try an Xbox controller. I don't know if it's gonna work. And the WebGL build doesn't seem to be working. Try it in the editor. No. Well, no worries. Let's just make sure it's even connected to this real quick. Pulling up Rocket League real quick, just making sure this controller was connected so I don't just rule out that the controller wasn't working. Well, when it was. It is connected, so the controller was totally fine, so the Unity FPS was not picking up where I need to configure it, but also, oh, actually, it was in the log right there. Okay, well, no big deal. You know, the performance was acceptable. I don't like it, but, you know, for what we're doing, let's just go ahead and move on. So we have an actual build. So then, wow, I need to load up a lot of stuff. Looking for game HTML. Seeing it. Obviously, I see that they want us to use this. Alright, so obviously this is just some hard-coded copy, paste. Click link. Initializing, and oh, okay, so it's probably going on there is, go ahead. There is in this thing. I don't know why it thinks it needs a plugin. No idea if this still works. Maybe it doesn't anymore. Maybe it only works on their website. That would make some sense. That's a real pain for testing, however. Or developing. Alright, Congregate Shell. We're getting somewhere. Oh, Congregate Shell seemingly has the same problem.